to try and get you guys to understand this concept of a negative times a positive is a negative, I wrote a problem about losing weight. Now I was going to make it about a fat woman, but you know, fat women are just everywhere. So I decided to make it about a fat man. So I went to Google Images and I typed in fat. But I did find an old ancient photograph. It's all in sepia, must be 100, 150 years old. And it was such a cool picture that as soon as I had it on my new page, I began to give the guy a name. And then, you know, it just came to me, okay? And so this is what I'd like to show you. All right, there we are. There he is. Isn't that a great picture? I got it right off Google. I looked at him and I said, I got to give him a name. So I'm calling him Frank Billfugle. And this is his little daughter, Pearl. Doesn't she look like a pearl? All right, here we go. Here we see a picture of Frank Billfugle taken back in the late 1800s. He's shown with his daughter, Pearl. Frank reached a point where he became too heavy to pick up little Pearl, so he went on the all-butter diet, which was popular back in his day. Of course, I made all that up. On this diet, he lost 3 pounds each week. So there we have a negative rate, okay, pounds per week, but it's a loss, so it's a negative 3 per week. He started the diet on Pearl's 3rd birthday and stopped on her 5th birthday. How much weight did he lose? All right, how long was he on this diet? 4 pounds per week, so the control rate is negative 3 pounds per 1 week. And there are 52 weeks in a year, and from her 3rd to her 5th birthday is 2 years. Let's see what this looks like as a rate multiplication problem. So I went into negative 3 pounds per 1 week times 52 weeks in 1 year. Yeah, thank you. All right, we arranged the rates so that weeks and years will divide out, and we'll be left just with pounds. Now, you take a look here. Negative times a positive is a negative. But hopefully this makes sense. After 2 years of losing over and over again, wouldn't he have lost? The answer should be a loss of 312 pounds. So I'm hoping that intuitively that makes sense to you. Now we can take this same situation with Frank and do a negative times a negative. Watch. Now, suppose that we decide to go back in time from Pearl's 5th birthday. This will create a negative. And we're going back in time. So that was 52 weeks ago from Pearl's 5th birthday. And notice, a negative times a negative is a positive, but this makes sense intuitively as well. If we went back to when she was only 4, he would have been 156 pounds heavier than he was when she was 5, right? Does that make sense?